Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to another video. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. I am Takoa. And in today's video, I am going to be doing the unboxing of this Planners Anonymous stationery box because Planners Anonymous is now available at Michael's, y'all. Oh my goodness, I am super excited. This is a limited edition that is actually launched into Michael's, and it actually was released on, I believe it was April 27th. And so I actually saw Heather Kell do an Instagram live where she was unboxing it. And when I realized what it was that she was unboxing, I immediately got off of the live because I did not want it to be a spoiler for me. I knew it was coming to Michael's. I just didn't know when around the time. And so when I saw Heather had it, I immediately went to Michael's website, ordered mine, and I had it delivered because, of course, I do want to practice some social distancing and do a little bit of shopping. And so I was just really excited to go ahead and get this box in my possession. It is gorgeous, y'all. So let's talk about these peonies that are on the cover of this or around the edges of this box. The box itself is beautiful. It is trimmed around all the edges of those florals. And then on the back, she has the contents that you will get in this box. And I actually love this. So you will get 4 washi tapes. You will get 2 magnetic bookmarks. You'll get 181 stickers. You'll get clear stickers. You'll get clear stamps. You're going to get a 70 sheet list pad. You're going to get 12 die cuts. You're going to get a tumbler. And you're going to get 6 12 by 12 paper sheets. I'm absolutely going nuts right now. Like, I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see what it looks like in the inside. So go ahead and follow her down below. As you can see on the back of the box has all of her social media handles. So please make sure you check her out if you enjoy this unboxing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna try to contain myself because I'm super excited, and I know I get excited a lot. It doesn't take a lot for me to get excited. Oh my gosh. All of these florals, these peonies, these florals are everything to me right now. The first thing that stuck out to me was that tumbler. So gorgeous. Loving the box, loving the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of it so we can kind of look at it, all of it in this fullness, and get a look at all these stationery items that's in here. Now, I did wish that they have like the tissue paper of this, the florals, but of course the box is a nice design as well that can be placed on your desk for added storage for other things. So we're going to start off with the tumbler first. I'm loving that. First of all, this box to me is really cute. Really loving this. And I mean, the tumbler itself is so cute. And then the box, oh my gosh. All right. Yeah. So like I said, the box, it doesn't have like any writing on it. So you really can have this on your desk if it matches your decor, and just place this on your desk and maybe put something in the inside there to kind of take away that, maybe like a solid color tissue paper or something. But it's really cute. Now, this tumbler is a 20 ounce and it says beautiful. And this box is beautiful. Okay. And yeah, so I'm loving this. Adding another tumbler to my collection is always awesome. And it has like a silicone little cap for the straw, which is also good to have as well. And then I'm just loving the little touch of floral on there. Super cute. We got that out of the way. Now let's move on to this paper, because you guys, if you do not know, I love me some scrapbook paper, okay? The peonies looks so gorgeous. I'm loving these florals. Some of these florals I do know, but the peonies I absolutely love. I love the color selection. I'm loving the color scheme of this as well. And what I like to do with the scrapbook paper is also use this within my classic happy planner and doing some sort of decor or some kind of like little fun page with this. So of course you get 1 page of this, and these 12 by 12 sheets are two-sided, so you'll get a different design on the back, which you'll have this design, which is just like a light pink polka dot design on the back, which I really, really love. And this is so cute. I'm already getting like ideas. Oh my goodness. Do you guys, this is like a Planner Babes box. Like, I don't even know what the name of this box is, but it should be like a Planner Babe, because look at all these little books. You have your A5 planner, you have your little spiral notebook. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. You have your camera, your scissors. So you have like your little crafting tools. all the stuff that you need to plan, your paper clips. This is so cute. And then on the back, you have this nice plaid design or pattern on the back, which is really cute. Not loud at all. And you can also just use this to make like your envelopes for cards, or you can make these out of cards as well. And then the next page is some more of these. It's like a mixture of peonies and roses, I believe. It looks like roses and peonies. Really cute. Loving that. And then on the back is this pattern here. Really cute. Again, you can use it to make cards, envelopes, gift card tags, all those things. I'm loving these stripes. I'm loving the colors of these, the color palettes. Really cute. I'm already coming up with like ideas already. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see the florals with the polka dots and the stripes? Let's get a close-up. Can we get a close-up? Oh, look at this. So gorgeous. I'm just loving how just looking at a sheet of scrapbook paper just kind of just gives you so much inspiration and ideas of what to use it for. So cute. Then next up, the next page is these little mini dolls, which are so cute. And this like almost like a little bookish little journal dolls with some books and little polka dots in the back as well. Really cute dolls. Love those. Got to get you a close-up of that. It's really cute. And then on the back is just this plaid green pattern as well. All right. Do y'all see this? Like, oh my gosh. This is probably my favorite paper. Oh, I just wish I had like 2 more of these. So you have every type of planner. You have your travel notebook. You have an A5. You have your spiral. You have your bullet journaling. These are all of the planner. This should be like the Planner Babe like box. It probably is the name of this box. I just don't know. I'm just glad that I was able to get my first box for Planners Anonymous. And then you get this polka dot pattern on the back that looks like that striped pattern paper that I just showed with that purple, green, and like a lavender color in there. Super cute. I'm loving this paper. You can actually tie this in together if you want to do like a card and then maybe use the green paper as like your envelope. Really cute. Oh my gosh. Whew, that was a lot. So yeah, so I'm loving these sheets, and I think you get about, let's see, I think it's 6. Let's double check. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. So you get 6 of these 12 by 12, but I really wish I had maybe 2 of each of those other pages of the planners and the peonies. Really cute. All right, next up is this fun little pack here that has all of the good stuff in there. All right, so I think this is where we get all of our bookmarks and washi tape. I'm loving the washi tape. You know I am a washi girl. Yes, those are so cute. I don't know if you can see that. So let me take it out of the packet and let you see a close-up. Like, I really want you to see the fullness of it because this box is amazing, okay? Amazing. All right, so you get 4 washi tapes. Of course, you get like 2 big ones, a medium, and a skinny one. And I absolutely love, let's see if we can get a close-up of that. Love this one. Oh, it keeps, okay, let me put that to the side. Look at this, y'all. You have your pens, your planner, your A5, your bows, your paper clips. I'm loving this. This is really dope. Really dope. I cannot wait to use that washi in my planner. Oh my goodness. All right, so the next one, let's do the skinny one. And this one is just this with some white polka dots. I don't know if it's going to focus, but it has like maybe like a light pink polka dot on there, or it could be white. But that's the skinny washi tape. And then the next one is about, I think it should be like the medium sized one. And this just has the florals. It has the mixture of the peonies. And I think it's like a little splash of roses in there as well, if I have my flowers correct. And then last but not least, I love this one as well too. This is really cute. Not for sure what you call this washi, but I'm calling it the frame by frame washi because you have frame by frame of different quotes, empty boxes, florals. You can actually cut them in half in those shapes and maybe kind of put them around your planners or maybe around a certain page that you're planning with, and being creative with it and making stretching out your washi tape as well. So I do love that. So yeah, you get 4 of those washis with this box, and you'll get to see all the goodies that comes with this because yes. All right. So magnetic bookmarks, you get 2 of these. You guys know how the magnetic bookmarks work. You get one with the envelope and some florals, and then you get this one that says be lovely and kind. Really cute. Good to have in your planners as a page marker. And you guys, these die cuts, I really want to see this die cuts, and I'm so glad that Heather's IG unboxing did not do too much of a spoiler for me, so I did not see any of these yet, so I'm going to be seeing this for the first time. Cute little coffee cup with a gold foil heart on it. Really cute. The next one, I really like this one, y'all. Look at the champagne bottle and the champagne glass with a little bubbling coming at the top, and it's all one die cut on here, which is really cute. And I think I'm going to actually turn these into stickers. I love to do that. Then you get this little piece of floral, which I will definitely turn into a sticker by using my sticker maker that I love to use as well. And then you get this cute little photo or camera, this cute camera die cut. And then you get this stack of books. Really cute. Goes with the color scheme. And then you get a cute little mini girl or mini doll. I think it's like mini Nistas, I guess. I don't know. And you get some more dolls here. So I think you get just those 3. But those 2 are as one big die cut. And how cute is this burning candle with a nice vase with some gold trimmings on it. And then you have a nice little plant hanging off to the side. So, oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Do y'all see the gold foil? Oh, all that sparkle. Oh, that just brought so much joy to me just now. Then this one, I thought it gave me like that 3D effect that says one of a kind because it has that envelope with the card kind of overlaying. It looks really cute. And then you have this nice message board that says enjoy every moment. Of course, enjoy every moment with gold foil font. Super cute. And then you get your nice little planner glasses, reading glasses, and it doesn't hurt to add some florals, right? With some gold foil. So cute. So again, I'm loving these die cuts. I like to turn these die cuts into stickers and place them into my planner or into anything that I'm decorating with. And I use a sticker maker that I love to use and turn those into it if they can fit within that. But you get 12 of these die cuts, which is awesome. Love it. So cute. All right. Next up, we are going to look at some clear stickers, and we get 48 pieces. And let's see. It doesn't look like 48, but maybe it's 2 sheets, but we'll take a closer look. Yep. Okay. So you have 2 sheets. So I'm assuming if it's 48, then it should be 24 pieces for each page. But these are so cute, you guys. Look at this. And oh, that is so cute. So I do love that you get 2 sheets of this, because if I use up one of them, especially like that little cute laptop and those little envelopes with the floral at the top, I definitely would want to use more of those. So I do appreciate that she gave us 2 of those pages. Super cute. So again, those are 48 pieces and those are clear stickers. And then here we have our 181 piece stickers. Not quite for sure how many pages these are, but I'm loving this. One of a kind. You get the full boxes here. Super cute as always. You know, I love to say that, but it's really cute. And then next is days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. I'm sorry, you guys. I have 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and we do circle time. So love to say that. And then we have some flag stickers, and then some more little icon boxes there. Then we get some half boxes, full boxes with some quotes, some checklist boxes and reminders, to-dos. Super cute. Not bad at all. Some important stickers, some checklist boxes, to-do list. Really cute. And then we get some icons or like die cut icon stickers. That's what I was trying to say. Die cut icon stickers. That's what I call it. But it's really cute. And then you get like some build. Ooh, these like build do stickers, gold stickers with some checklist boxes, some washi strips here on the side. And then we get some habit trackers, some a note to self, weekly goals. I love this one. This is really cute. Can never go wrong with habit trackers. So yeah, so those are all of the stickers. 181 pieces. This is well enough to use and to create a spread. And the next item, we are going to take a peek at our clear stamps. And these clear stamps are 17 pieces each. And I love that because some of these clear stamps are a duplicate of some of the die cuts that we just looked at. And I really like that. So you have your rubber stamps on the back. And I love that on the front, they have like the little pictures of what those die cuts, or I'm sorry, not die cuts, rubber stamps should go to, or, you know, just kind of help you remember where they go so you can put them back in its place. If you're like a person like me, I don't have any like rubber stamp sleeves or like a little booklet. So what I normally do is just put it back in its, you know, back in the wrapping and keep it like that so I don't get like any lint or any fuzz balls in there. So when I need to use it, I don't have to worry about, you know, it sticking to my stamps. So I'm going to keep it in its original wrapper for the time being, but I do love to use stamps. And the last item is our 70-page list pad that is to-do list. Super cute. And I love this little get to know me little page on the back. So I'm going to keep this, Sammy. I think this is really cute that you added that because I will really keep that as like a memory keeping of some sort in my planner. We'll be punching that with my Happy Planner Punch. Again, this is lined paper, 70 sheets, and then the back of those pages are just blank, plain white on the back. But of course, you can keep this on your desk and make a running to-do list, a grocery list, however you want to use it. Not for sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but definitely will be getting used. And again, I can actually hole punch this with my Happy Planner, Happy Punch, and place them in my planner. If I want to kind of do like a quick on the go little list, pop that bad baby in there. So let's talk about what we got in here. So we got a 12 by 12 paper. We got a to-do list pad. We have clear stamps. Just some awesomeness, you guys. We got some stickers here, 181 pieces. Then we got 48 clear stickers. We have 12 beautiful die cuts. Awesome thick quality paper die cuts on here. We get 2 bookmarks, magnetic bookmarks, that is. We got a beautiful, no pun intended, but we have a beautiful floral tumbler, which is a 20-ounce tumbler, and 4 washi tapes, 2 bigs, a medium, and 1 skinny. Absolutely love this. So again, this is available at Michael's. It is available for $29.99, I believe. And I was able to use a coupon for 20% off at Michael's. So I actually got a good deal off of this. Absolutely love this. You guys, if you have not picked this up yet, you should get your hands on this. I hope you enjoy this unboxing and like what you see. Hopefully, I was able to give you some idea and some inspiration as to what you can use this for if you just wasn't for sure if you want to actually get this. But I'm so glad I was able to pick this up. I cannot wait to try to do some spreads with this so you can kind of see how I'm going to be utilizing this. So please make sure you're going to be following me on YouTube, here on YouTube, Instagram, and also I am going to be I'm going to be pinning this in my Pinterest account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to Sammy for launching this into Michael's and making this available because I was not able to get a subscription box. So the fact that I can get it at my local craft store, I'm super excited about it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell if you are new here to my tea party. And I'll see you at my next tea party.